Hi there, I'm gonna show you in this video how to repair the Imei for Alcatel One S 2019, alias known as Alcatel OT-5024D. We have here one sample. As you can see, we have here the Imei damaged, so I'm planning to repair this. In order to repair the Imei, I'm going to use Furiousgold and SPD tool module from pack 2 of Furiousgold. In order to repair the Imei and unlock, you are going to need one Furious multipurpose lock. You can buy from our site, from the products section. So let's start by selecting the model, Alcatel One S, Imei BT relock. And here I'm going to choose Imei 0 since we plan to repair first Imei. I'm going to paste here the original Imei. Changing Imei to anything different, it's illegal, so I'm going to change the Imei to the original one from the back of the phone. Right now I'm going to power off the device. I'm going to press connect on the software. The software shows us here the connection instructions. We are going to connect the phone powered off with volume up pressed. So let's do this. So I'm going to keep pressed volume up key and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected, as you can see, and the Imei repair process is going to start soon. Okay, that's it. The phone reboots right now. Let's check if the Imei got repaired. As you can see, the Imei got successfully repaired. Has the same value as the one we entered here. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for our products. Bye.